Hey guys, Brian Hathaway here, sitting aboard SV Serenity, coming at you from Marina Del Rey, California. Just got back from single-handed my boat up to Seattle and back, about 3,000 miles of wonderful sailing. Was able to edit the entire time using EditMate, working on proxy media. Very excited for September 16th to show how cool the technology is and how it works. And happy aboard virtually. Okay, so I just drag and drop our clips down. We have our sequence of Premiere. We're just going to say this is our edit. This is some footage from an independent film worked on a couple years ago. It won a bunch of awards. And this was the trail that we were working on with it. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this, which is our export, and send this back up to Karsten to let him look at my.
Yeah, while you're doing this, maybe just some more words from my side on the streaming technology that we are using there. So our focus was really on during the remote from the working from anywhere. It's very important for the editors to have a very native feeling in using the main application, which is Adobe Premiere. So we invested lots of effort in making the streaming and scrubbing functionality as smooth as possible. Also, depending on the storage infrastructure that's underneath that, because we are supporting various storage infrastructures there. So that's what I just wanted to say about the streaming.
Okay.